Hello, welcome to the HVAC Budget Channel. Tonight I'm bringing you a wallet survival kit. So this is what I carry with me to work every day. This is just a couple additional items just in case the worst thing happened. I would have some things on hand. Hopefully I will never need to use it, but I think it is good to carry some extra things in your wallet. I know it's popular to have the Altoid 10 survival kit, but that is just very bulky. There's many other options. There's specific survival kit wallets, but this is what I've come up with that's minimal, that doesn't hurt my pocket, it's not too bulky, and it works for me. All right, so first of all is the wallet. This is just a rather normal nylon wallet with Velcro. It's in pretty bad shape because I've been using it for probably about 3-4 years, crawling through attics in my work and all kinds of stuff, and it's pretty beat up, so I will not show you the inside of it. But all these things do fit inside my wallet. All right, so first of all, I'm going to mention I just took a credit card size card that I have, and I made a little fishing kit. I put some fishing wire at the top, adhered it in the back with some duct tape, and then I put some fishing hooks on the front, covered it with duct tape so it would not poke or be jagged into the wallet or through the wallet into my leg. And this is my fishing kit, which I'm going to count as my food portion of the survival kit. All right, so next up, first aid. I carry several Band-Aids with me. Those I usually use for work, but I'm surprised how oftentimes my kids need them, other people that I'm around. I ran into a situation where at a birthday party, someone accidentally cut their finger and I was able to give them a Band-Aid, and people were shocked that I carried that with me, but it's just so handy to have that as part of your survival kit, and they're so thin and compact as well. And then also, of course, you need a knife. So I always like to carry a knife with me. This is the GDC Gerber. It's the money belt clip knife. I've modified it. I've taken out some of the brass rings. I believe there was a brass ring here. I took an angle grinder, took that out to make it a lot more thin and compact. You notice there's a lot of sticky right here. That's because I put some duct tape or some electrical tape rather around the side. I don't want it cutting through the wallet or into my leg. But I do like to have a knife with me, and this is the one that I found to be one of the most compact knives out there to date. One that is fairly close or similar to that is this cheap Chinese knife I found on eBay. You could take the pocket clip off the back, and that is also very compact, and it folds out. Pretty neat little knife. It was about $4, took about 3 months to arrive from China, but I like the Gerber. I prefer the Gerber at this time. Next, I have matches for fire, for heat, providing heat in the worst situation. All right, and also can be used up as backup light, I suppose. So I did try to carry some flint rods with me, or ferrocerium rods, but that did not work out too well. I did carry some in my wallet, but they're a little bit bulky. If you want one that has many strikes on it, I tried to carry some in the keychain and it just fell off. I'm too abrasive in the pocket, just crawling through attics and everything. Things do not survive very long on my keychain. So I've used these. I try to swap these out every couple months because in my pocket, in the wallet, they do get crushed. And then it is pretty hard to light these matches. These are very cheap Walmart matches, but they do the trick. And I've even used them in work. At different times we have to check water heaters, just do a quick check to see if we're getting some backdraft. And this came in handy even for work. So it's pretty neat to have matches on hand. All right, and then also my last piece of equipment is this is the Klecker, I believe it's called. It's something like K-L-E-C-K-E-R, stowaway tool. They made a whole list of tools you can still buy on Amazon. There was an iPhone case you could slip these into. Pretty neat idea. I picked this up. This is around $12 on Amazon, $7 on eBay. This has 2 modes. Now, keep in mind, this is after about 3-4 years in my pocket. I have pulled this out, let my kids play with it for a couple times. So it has a high setting and a low setting, or I think that's a low setting. So it has two settings, and this is just a sealed compartment. It's just battery operated. You cannot recharge it, so when it's done, but it's been pretty neat. It's used its purpose, and it's one of the thinnest flashlights I know of available on the market right now. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, make sure to like, subscribe. This has been my minimalist wallet toolkit, and I hope you will leave some comments about what you carry. I'd be very interested. All right, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.